I'm going to be making granola. Now I do have a recipe for granola on my page, but this one is slightly different. It doesn't have oil, doesn't have buckwheat grounds. I find granola is great for a snack. I put it in yogurt. I put it on top of my porridge. I also sometimes put it on top of, I have a little bit of almond butter on toast and sprinkle granola on top. So it's full of great ingredients. There's only 5, it's super easy. So we're gonna take some unsweetened coconut. This is organic, it's a different kind than I usually use, but it's unsweetened organic coconut. We've got some pumpkin seeds, we've got some sunflower seeds, we've got some chia seeds, and we have some cinnamon. So we're going to mix all of that together so it's nice and coated. You can add a little salt if you want. I'm choosing not to do that. And then all we do is add some maple syrup on top. Make sure it's all combined together. And then you're going to toast it in the oven. That's it. How easy is that? And it's coming together nicely. Super delicious. It smells good. I love the smell of coconut and cinnamon. So there you go. I'm going to spread it on my parchment paper or on the silicone sheets. And then you're going to toast it in a slow oven until it's nice and brown and crispy. And then you let it cool. You put it in a airtight container in the pantry. And then you'll have a really great, healthy granola, another version. And you know, it's also great if you're making a cake, you could top it with granola. Why not, huh? So I love this because it's so simple, and it's got chia seeds are so great for you and everything else in it. So I'm gonna pop this in the toaster, and I'm gonna pop it in the oven, and I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like when it's done. So I'm back. It's finished. It didn't take long at all. And the reason it didn't take long is because I soak my sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds overnight. Then I rinse them, and then I roast them in the oven. And then I put them in the fridge. So they were, and I do it in a big batch. So they were already pre-roasted. So it didn't take long for everything to brown. So that's just a little time saver. You can make a lot of this and just keep it in the fridge or in the pantry in an airtight container. You could also freeze it. So it's all finished, and as it cools, it will also firm up. And then you can just break it into different, there you go. Like it smells amazing, and it's got all the benefits of the chia. And just break it up into little things. It's going to cool and harden, and then you've got a beautiful, easy to make, healthy granola with 5 ingredients. What could be easier and more delicious than that? So a healthy sunflower seed granola. Enjoy!